So we're going to start by making a heart template using a Post-it note. I like to do this because it leaves a sticky spot. This one kind of tore a little, but you can still just follow along and get yourself a good even heart. Now fill your heart in, two-toned, whatever your team colors happen to be. If you know what team I'm doing here, you can guess down in the comments. Then you're going to reline everything. Now I am not showing dry time here, so obviously you're going to have dry time. You'll even see these extra rocks being made in the background, which just shows that I did a lot in between these coats. But simple, easy, cute little football heart. The second one, we're doing the same thing using a Post-it note for our template, but we're going to use a pointillist style. So you're going to get really heavy with your dotting right over the edge of the Post-it note and then peel it up. Now I let this green dry completely before I came in with my yellow because you don't want your colors to actually blend and bleed together. As you can see, I brought the yellow all the way up to the outline of my heart to help it stand out on this darker rock, and then I came back again with green. Next, we're going to make a football fan gnome. Now I've done gnomes a lot of times on the channel, so if you want to see the breakdown of how to draw a gnome, just look on the playlist. I have a whole gnome playlist. So I'm just kind of showing it step by step here, and we're just going to decorate him for our team, our football team that we're fans of here. So for the beard, I'm filling it in white. I'm going to add a little bit of black at the bottom and pull that in. Just make sure to use vertical strokes so that you kind of get this hair texture, and then just doodle off the tip of your white paint pen until it's flowing white again. The rest of this is coloring book style. You can see how I decided to do my patches on my hat. You could do any kind of patches that you want. I decided to do plain green stripes and plain yellow, and then I also fill in my little guy's shoes. I went back and added a couple hands that I forgot earlier. But as you can see, once you reline all of everything here, you can add these little hash marks, little V's and X's along to give it this little patch look. And he's just adorable for a football fan. And we've got one more rock to inspire you here. We're doing a big checker pattern number 1. So you can freeze frame this once it's all done so you kind of see the lines. All these tutorials are in a long extended version on the page. It's in the description. You can get the step-by-step with words. This one's just to get you inspired and ready. So as you can see here, we did a checkerboard pattern with our colors to make a number 1 as well. Let me know who you'll be cheering for in the playoffs below. I hope you paint a few for your favorite football team.